Welcome to the Weather Gurus podcast for July 3rd, 2024 for the lower 48. We're looking at the forecast and hazards here. Right now, we have a bunch of hazards dealing with heat as most of the eastern two-thirds of the country is under influence of high pressure. So this is going to lead to excessive heat warnings for the mid-Mississippi Valley down to the Gulf Coast. This is denoted with the fuchsia purple color. So from Memphis, Jackson, Tennessee, Greenville, all the way down through Alexandria, Shreveport, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and over toward Texas, Texarkana, Arkansas, and down through Houston, there's going to be extreme heat, and DFW as well. This is going to continue to your 4th of July holiday. And also the rivers that are swollen from all of the rain that they got in the upper Midwest, they're going to be draining down through the Mississippi River Valley here as well. So there's flood watches in the central Missouri and into the Boot Hill country of Missouri. And that's what we have going on. We also have out west, we have flash flood warnings in effect denoted in red here for parts of northern Nevada up through eastern Washington, east of the Cascades, and over to the stovepipe of Idaho and Montana up in the high mountains of the Bitterroots and Sawtooths there for flooding that could be possible, flash flooding. Heat, California, most of California is under excessive heat warning. Temperatures will be up in the 110 to 115 range, all the way up to San Joaquin Valley, Fresno up to 99, all the way up through Tracy, Chico, Stockton, all the way up through Redding and Weed, California. Down, of course, through the high deserts, the low deserts, back towards I-10, over towards Palm Springs, Cathedral City, all those areas, down all the way to the border of Mexicali, all the way down there. It's going to be hot, extremely hot from Havasu City, Arizona, back towards the inland rim country, Grand Canyon rim country of Arizona. So that's what we have as far as natural hazards that's going to be going on for the next day and over to your 4th holiday. Extreme heat, as you can see, Dallas tops out at 101 Fahrenheit today, 93 degrees in Atlanta, 96 degrees in Richmond Fahrenheit, 91 degrees in New York City, 86 degrees Fahrenheit in Boston, 80 degrees comfortably in Chicago Fahrenheit. Out west even had extreme heat with 90 degrees, 88 degrees in Seattle, and upper Midwest had a brief cool down. 76 degrees in Minneapolis feels really good, and also 76 degrees in the Dakotas feels really good. So you can see heat is on even in Florida. 94 degrees in Tallahassee, 83 degrees Fahrenheit, 93 degrees Fahrenheit in Tampa, 88 in Miami, of course. And the heat is on to stay here. It's summertime. We're firmly entrenched in that pattern, but the 6 to 10 temperature outlook looks to be above average for out west and above average, of course, for the East Coast. And sandwiched in the middle, we do have some below average temperatures coming, denoted in the blue here, for the spine of the country up I-35 from Oklahoma City to DFW, all the way through Topeka, Kansas, and Omaha, Nebraska, back down through the heartland of Arkansas country and Joplin, Missouri. So that's what we have, some below average temperatures coming in the next 6 to 10 days in terms of temperature wise. But out west, it's going to be above average there from Las Vegas up through Winnemucca, up through Salmon, Idaho, and Boise City, Idaho, and all the way up through eastern Washington there, Kennewick and Walla Walla. And it's going to be above average temperatures in Salt Lake too, in the Salt Lake region, as we're firmly entrenched in summertime. So if you want some cooler temperatures, the upper Midwest and the Great Lakes is where it's at here for cooler temperatures, or at least below normal or near normal temperatures. And if you want hot, you go far out west and out toward the Florida coastline, all of Florida and most of the Northeast here, in terms of Boston and New England states as well. Now, the NWS radar here, courtesy of the National Weather Service, so some showers here in the Ohio Valley. So if you're coming along I-70, I-71 in Ohio there, I-75, just passing Cincinnati, Columbus there, and down through Louisville on I-64 and the Watterson Expressway there. Heavy showers down there. Now, we also have showers out in the Midwest, Nebraska, non-severe, and some showers in Kansas City, Missouri, and Kansas down that way as well. We have some brief showers here in Florida, of course. There are always summer thundertime sea breeze showers here, coming in along Lake City and 75 through Gainesville and University of Florida, coming down through Tampa there in 75 as well, and about to hit the I-4 corridor. So if you're on the western side of Orlando, Winter Garden, heading back towards Lake County and Claremont and all those areas, rain showers will continue to impact your drive down there as well. Clear out in the mid-Atlantic and clear up in the Northeast. Just beautiful day with low humidity as well. Out west, we have an absolute beautiful day as well. The slight monsoonal flow continues in New Mexico. There was a bunch of flash flood warnings last week. That's since subsided, but there's still a lot of rain coming east of Santa Fe and the Watone Pass and up towards Denver as well, east in the high plains of eastern Colorado. Some showers and thunderstorms kicking up there as well. Not too much snow on the map. We are firmly entrenched in summertime for the lower 48 here, and that's also some news. This is the Weather Guru providing you with the NOAA update for the NOAA 48 on 7/3/2024. Take care, and I'll see you on the next episode.